Hello people, Ashish is back with another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about something interesting. Not just even talk, but I'm going to showcase you one real problem that I recently faced. One of my client told me that he is looking for a separate sequence for quotations. As of now, as you all know, if you are an Odoo user, you know that Odoo is just following one single sequence for sales orders. For example, if I open the sales here, you can see S00064, maybe S0065. So there is no any separate sequence for sales order. Yes, you can obviously achieve it by using third party code. There are a lot of different third party apps available, even OCA apps are also available. But can you do it by using Odoo default? I was doing some research and I found out a way. So in this video, I'm going to share the same way what I found out with you, so that in case if you want, if you come across these kind of requirements, you can do it by using Odoo native. You don't need to add any of the third party module or any of the apps. So let us begin. First of all, we have to open the sequence and identifiers. Here you can see, just click on the sequence and here write sales. So here you can find sales order sequences there. So it's normal sale dot order. Then you can find this is pretty normal, right? So what we are going to do is, whenever we are going to create a new quotation, it should start with QTN. This is what my requirement is. So what I will do is, I'll just simply duplicate this, and it is already duplicated. Instead of sale dot order, what I will do is, I'll just create a new sequence, that is sale dot order dot custom. You can write any other name, but make sure you remember this particular name, because we are going to use this exact sequence code in our automation rule. So here I'm just adding as so yeah, this will be my final sales order sequence. So I need my sales order sequence to be SO, and this, oops, not question mark, but this one. Let me just quickly save this. If I again go back, so this is the original sequence which I duplicated. Instead of S, I need QTN. So this will be my quotation. Now what should happen is, now my use case is, whenever I'm going to create a quotation, it should show QTN 001. In this case, next number is 66. I'm not going to change this as of now. So if I'm going to create a new sequence, it will come as QTN 00066. In your case, if you want, you can just change this, it doesn't matter. Now once the sequence is done, we have to add an automation rule. So for that, we will go to the automation rule, create a new automation, um, code sequence. Okay, save. Oops, model will be sales order, trigger will be mm, create and edit. Okay, looks good. Add an action, execute a code, and here is my code. Control V. So here you can see I have mentioned sales dot order dot custom. So if you are if you are naming your sequence like this, then this code will work. If not, then just do the control F thing and replace this. Else your code won't work. Nothing else. Now I'll just save and close this. I have already tested this particular sequence. So there was one gap which I found out, and the gap was, whenever I was creating a quotation, it was coming up as QTN 0001, and once I confirmed that particular quotation into a confirmed sales order, so it was SO 001. The main thing for me is to track which sequence or which quotation is confirmed into which number. So for that, I need a reference for my quotation. What I did next is I added a new field in the sales order. Let me just quickly open this via, okay, this doesn't looks good, via Odoo Studio. It's loading, and we are going to add a character field below payment terms. Okay, this looks good. And the name of field will be quotation number. Okay, quotation number is there in my suggestion. Very good. And the name of field is x underscore studio underscore quotation underscore number. This is very much important. So just make sure. Let me just quickly close this. It won't allow me to save because I haven't added any customer. Let me just quickly save it and let's see if this works or not. Okay, this is working. So it is QTN 00666. That looks good. Let me add some products. Okay, open this one. Okay, save. Now if I click on confirm, this should be changed to SO/001. Voila, there you go. Here you can see now I have set separate sequence for my quotation as well as for my sales order. Also here you can find the quotation number. So this is the quotation number from which my sales order is confirmed. But here you can notice one thing. Here you can see I am able to edit this, or maybe any user is able to edit this. So what should be done for this? Let us make changes. Click here and make it read only. Now we are safe. So here you can see now no one will be able to change this one. But there is one more issue with this, and that is if I click on duplicate, here you can see it is duplicated, which is a big no. So for that what we can do is again open Studio, click here, scroll more. There is something called copy. Just untick that and close this. Now if I confirm this, this looks good. Now if I again try to duplicate, here you can see it's gone, it's not being duplicated anymore. So these are small things that needs to be taken care of, and if you want me to share this code, just do let me know. Just ping me on LinkedIn, or maybe you can just drop a comment on my YouTube video. I'll be directly sharing the code with you. For such informative video, stay tuned, and in case if you have any test case with you, do let me know. I'll try to solve it with Odoo native app, with Odoo native only, without any custom code. This is what I do in my videos. Ciao.